4 times 4, this is 16. Then you have minus 8 divided by 2. So 16 minus 8, you have 8 divided by 2. And from here, 8 divided by 2, you have 4. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if your answer is 4, you are wrong. You are wrong. Absolutely wrong. Now, what is the right way of solving this? You are going to make use of BODMAS. Or you make use of what we call PERMAS. So, how does this actually work? Now, look at it here. This B is for brackets. This is for operations. This is division and multiplication. Meaning that when you have division before multiplication, you start with the division. Now, if you have multiplication before division, you start with the multiplication. Remember, you need to start from left to right. So the same thing here is with addition and subtraction. If you have addition before subtraction, you start with addition. If you have subtraction before addition, you start with subtraction. That means there is no priority when you have division and multiplication, and also no priority when you have addition and subtraction. Here in PERMAS, the P is parenthesis, which is just like brackets. The E is exponent. D is division and multiplication, no priority, just like what I said earlier on. A is addition, and you have subtraction, no priority at all. The one that comes first, you start with it when you have division, multiplication, and also the one that comes first, you start with that one when you have addition and subtraction. Now, with this in mind, let's simplify this. 4 times 4 minus 8 divided by 2. So, with the use of BODMAS or PERMAS, I need to start with multiplication because it comes first. I'm starting from left to right. So, there's multiplication here before the division, so I'm starting with the multiplication. 4 times 4, this will give me 16. Then I have minus 8 divided by 2. So according to BODMAS again, you have division before subtraction, right? There's division before subtraction. So I'm going to do this one here. 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So I have 16, and there's minus here, minus 4. So from here, you are left with 16 minus 4, and 16 minus 4 is obviously 12. So 12 is the correct answer. So if you have gotten anything outside 12, you are wrong. So guys, this is how you can actually simplify this, making use of BODMAS or PERMAS. And this is the rule you need to use in order to simplify any problem of this nature. That is it. Thank you and goodbye.